Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to make some good old crispy southern fried catfish. So stick around, check it out. Alright, so we got our catfish here. You can see this these little fillets are saltwater catfish, and this is like your normal like freshwater catfish. I'm assuming I bought these, but we actually caught these. Camera operator and Jen and I caught these in St. Augustine Beach, so we thought we would add them in there. Alright, so the first step is to put a cup of buttermilk in your catfish fillets. So I got a quart of buttermilk, so I think it's 2 cups in a quart, so we'll split it in half. If I can get this, if I can get the top off, geez. Wow, all right. Smidge more. All right, well, that's pretty covered to me. I'm gonna put the buttermilk back in the fridge. All right, I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm gonna give it a nice little bit of a shake. Make sure all of it's good and coated. You see it's covered in the buttermilk. So I'm gonna let this sit here and soak for a little bit while we get the oil going. Ooh. Alright, so we're using vegetable oil today. Stick it in here. You always want to put something in your pot before you turn your fire on. Alright, yeah, the recipe calls for a quart, and this is a quart. It's a smidge over a quart, but... Alright. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna wait and get this, let this oil get a little hot before we can put our fish in there. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's starting to bubble a little bit at the top. I'm gonna get one of those smaller pieces of catfish and put them in my mixture over here, and then put them in here. And then once it's like ready, then we'll do the rest of them. Alright, so I got my bag of goodness. It's fine cornmeal and a little bit of salt, well, pink Himalayan salt, and a little bit of pepper. And I have some Old Bay in here, and I have some Fisherman's Blend that we bought for other fish. Fisherman's Blend that I got, I'll put a link in the description where I got off Amazon. But it's for it's really good for white fish like halibut and cod and oily fish. But since the catfish is a white fish, you know, why not try it? But that's why you can see all the particles in there from the Fisherman's Blend. So I like doing it this way instead of just having it out, and because you can put your catfish in here and just shake it up, and then put it in the oil. So let's get the small piece first. Let the you can see it, you can let the buttermilk trying to drip off. And place it in the bag like so. Then you zip it up. Some air out of it. Right. So you can see the fillets right on top. Just give it a good old shake. Like so. Alright, it should be ready to put in the oil. Alrighty. So your fillet should come out looking like this. And then you just want to place it in there. So we'll let this one fry up first and test it out. Boy, it smells good like that. But also I like to get a paper plate, and then I like to get some paper towels and put on my paper plate. So when you take out your catfish, and the paper towels will get that excess oil. The excess oil, not the excess. It's hot out here today. I can't talk. All right. You see, it's already getting a little crispy. So you want to let it get like a golden brown color, and it's almost there. All right. So it's a nice crispy golden brown. Check that out. It kind of looks like a chicky tendy, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's do the next one. All right, so I'm gonna do those small fillets first to get them out of the way. Then I'll do those bigger ones. There's one. All right. Three of them. Yeah, it looks like a catfish chicky tendy. But and you can see the paper towel has soaked up that extra grease, which is nice. Alrighty. It doesn't take that long for these little ones to fry up. Look at that. Nice crispy brown. Heck yeah. Smells really good too. Alright, so we got our first 4 done. Look really good. So these big fillets are going to take a little bit because they're a little thicker. I'm just going to do 2 at a time for these. Nice big huge catfish fillet right there, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 at a time for these. They're so big. So I did a frying up some brim like holes and fillet videos, and I used like normal self-rising cornmeal, and it was not that great. I like this fine cornmeal. This fine cornmeal works really well. Like, I like it. It's making them crispy and not flaking off and falling off. So if you're going to fry up some fish, any kind of fish, use this fine cornmeal. All right. Alright, do the next ones. Alright, so since we got the vegetable oil cooking, I actually whipped up some good old hush puppy mix. So we're getting ready to make some hush puppies. Alright, so we got our mix here for our hush puppies. It is 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal, 2/3 cup self-rising flour, 1 chopped onion, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of milk. And you want to let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. So I made this first while I was getting the catfish ready and all that. So it's been sitting probably about 20-30 minutes now. So let's get to making some hush puppies. God, everything smells good right now. So I'm gonna do the same thing like I did with the catfish. Just want to put a paper towel down so that it sucks up all the grease. Stir it up a little bit. Alright, so it was a little liquidy, so I put a little more flour in it. But it should be like enough to where it's going to stick together. Here, I'll show you, see? It should look like that to where it's like it should just clump together. Must be a weird shaped one. You just want to dump it in there like so. Not gonna look like your normal like hush puppies you get at like the restaurant. It's that homemade. Yeah, buddy, look at that nice golden brown hush puppy. Alright. Let's get some more made. Alright, so I'm going to get the rest of these hush puppies made, and we will see you when we taste test everything. Alright, it's time for the taste test. Look how good the hush puppies turned out. And then that's the catfish. We'll try it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's falling apart. Check that out. Oh yeah. The catfish is really juicy, and the breading is really crunchy as well. It's pretty good. Oh yeah. You got your hush puppy. Oh yeah. Alright, so with your catfish, you can taste the Old Bay in it. You can taste the Fisherman's Blend I put in it. It's really juicy. You can see the you can see what it looks like. It's nice and flaky. And then with the hush puppies, there's you put onions in it, but there's no onions in it. They kind of cook out. We can get like a little oniony flavor to it. It's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching our crispy southern fried catfish video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're subscribed to the channel, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It will help our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And in the description below, there is a link to our merch shop. We also have some merch at the bottom of this video. You can also go on Facebook and get a cool Wild Adventures koozie and a holographic sticker. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to your channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.